Hi, everyone. Good morning, and thank you for joining us for our counselor coffee this morning. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Donnie Rafter. I'm the principal here at Beckman High School. Before I hand it over to our counseling team, I just wanted to check in with you guys and give you a quick message here with any updates I might have for seniors. And just thank you for your patience. So I get a lot of questions from parents, and rightfully so, about what's happening. And the honest truth is we don't have a ton of information right now. One of the big questions is just about senior activities and what we're doing with that. Um, Things like dances and grad night, senior reflections, even graduation. And I've actually met with a couple groups of parents. PTO, myself have talked at length about, what can we do, what are we able to accomplish. And right now, unfortunately, with the way the guidelines are, there's really not a lot that we can do with these things. But we are setting aside funds and looking at different plans and different options so that when the time comes and we're able to do some of these things, that we can kind of move quickly and that we have funds set aside to do that sort of thing. Um, I don't have answers on when, like next dance will be, or what grad night might look like. But rest assured, there are conversations that are happening right now. I personally, like, am extremely disappointed at how the senior year is going for our students. Like missing out on a senior year, like it stinks. And so we've been working at length to try to figure out ways to, get some of these experiences that kids normally would have in their senior year. But the problem is we're running up against these guidelines that we can't put together certain things. So know that we're working on it, know that we're trying to figure these things out. If you have great ideas that we could do and still be within the guidelines, obviously please share those with me, but we're working with different groups trying to figure out what that might look like. Um, and we'll keep you posted on those things as soon as we know. And like I said, I've already set aside funds on my end. I know PTO has also set aside funds on their end. And our hope is as soon as we have better direction or we have kind of a window where it's okay, that we figure these things out and we move fairly quickly. Um, and so the one I think most people are concerned with is graduation. We actually just had a meeting this last Friday about graduation. It's still slated for the 26th. We are pushing hard for some version of in-person. Again, who knows? By the time May 26th comes around, we could have widespread vaccinations and we're okay to do it kind of more traditionally. The odds are that that's not necessarily where it's going to be. So we're starting to brainstorm, okay, what might it look like? If anything, there will be probably limited attendance. So I know, some families start, making plans for grandparents and relatives from out of state or out of country to arrive. And I would be very cautious with that. Obviously, with travel as the way it is right now, I don't know if that's an issue, but um, we are probably going to have to limit it to probably mom and dad, like two guardians per student. Again, can't guarantee that yet. We don't know, but that's kind of what we're looking at. We really want it to be in person, and we really want it to be more of a chance for the kids to just be together, celebrate with their friends. We don't know if it'll be one giant graduation or like three smaller separate graduations where the kids get to pick with their friends. We probably won't be able to practice beforehand. So it will look a little bit less formal, and our goal is to make it more fun. Um, I'll be meeting with a group of seniors here shortly just to kind of talk to them and pick their brains about how this might look and what we might be able to do with graduation. But just know we have every intention of trying to offer an in-person graduation. It's just a matter of if we're able to do that. So anyway, as that news comes, we'll share it with you. Hang in there. Again, I know this stinks. Like it stinks for the kids. I feel awful for them. But we're doing what we can to get these guys a better experience. And as soon as we know any firm details about activities or obviously graduation, we'll share them with you. So again, you'll hear from me, like I said, as soon as we know more. But hang in there and thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to our counseling team to share their presentation. So thank you guys and have a good one.